Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you about a new thing, which is a new addition, or you can say the new feature. It is available in YouTube Studio, that you can also upload the videos from the YouTube Studio. So what you have to do, you have to simply follow my steps, and I'm going to tell you that how you can upload the video from YouTube Studio. So what you have to do, simply you have to open the YouTube Studio app. After opening the app, you have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. As you can see, the app is ready to use. Now what you need to do, you have to click on this option. After clicking on this, you have to select the video, that which video you want to upload. You need to choose any video. For example, I'm going to choose any random video. I'm going to choose this one. After choosing this, as you can see, you have to add the details of the video, that what details are. This is a short one. I'm gonna back and I'm gonna use the another video, like search for another video like this one. I'm gonna use this one. So what you have to do, as you can see, the video is open here. Now you have to write the title here. For example, how to withdraw amount. So after this, you have to add the description, that what is the about the what the video is about. After that, you have to write that. After that, you have to write the description that the. After that, you have to write the description, that what the video is about and the details of the video, and you have to go to the back after this, and then go to press the next. After going to the next, you have to define that what is video made for. It is for kids or it is not for the kids. After that, you have age restrictions. Usually we don't use this, and you have to click on the upload video. I'm not going to upload this because this is my professional channel. So simply you have to follow my steps and your video will be uploaded. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can upload the video from YouTube Studio. After following these my steps, you will be able to upload the video. So see you guys in the next video.